Right, let's look at a bit of hip strength. Glute bridge, single leg hand bridge, clams, adductor bridges, and sideline leg raise, okay? You'll do each exercise for the set number of reps, whatever you're programmed or whatever you decide you're going to work on this routine, okay? So we've got glute bridge, that's obviously, well, that is working both legs, and then obviously you'll do your set reps. Because it's single leg, you'll do the set number of reps for one leg and then the other. Clams, same routine, adductor bridge, same routine, and then the sideline leg raise, again, that's single leg, so that will be the same routine on that one. Okay, let's have a look at what these exercises look like. Okay, for the glute bridge, okay, obviously working the glutes, we need a platform. It doesn't matter the height, as long as we're getting just below the shoulder blades, sort of rib cage, just below the shoulder blades, okay, on that platform, okay. The higher it is, the more range we're going to get to work with, but we can work on a lower one as well. If you're going to load this exercise, we're going to put the load across the hips. For the bridge itself here, driving up and lower, power up, squeeze and lower. Little squeeze at the top and lower. That there is your glute bridge. Okay, moving on, single leg hand bridge. Okay, so for the hand bridge, our back goes on the floor and our feet are raised this time. Okay, and what I want, if you look at my knees, okay, my knees here are at a right angle at 90, and if I lower the heels, my knee is now just forward where my hip is, so around about there, that sort of angle is about right. Toes to the sky, back of the heel into the platform that you're working with. Okay, you're going to take one foot away, okay, and just let it hover. Okay, it doesn't matter if you want to bring it back a little bit, and we're going to push down, not away, but down, bringing ourselves up. So we've got this nice straight line all the way up to the knee, and then back down. Here, and down. Here. And then the same again on the other leg. There's your single leg hand bridge. Then we're going to move on to clams. So clams, these ones are, again, nice low level exercise, and they're good if we do them right. So what we want to do, lying on the side like so, okay, I want my hips at 90 to the floor, or slightly forward to be on the safe side. Heels together, okay, and my heels are in line with my hips, which is in line with my shoulder. So we've got this sort of right angle going on at the knee joint and off down to the ankle, okay. What we're going to do is we're just going to open the knee as far as it will go. You'll get to a point, at that point, you'll feel your hip wants to roll backwards. We want to stop before the hip moves backwards. So we're going here, and that's it. And then lower. Here, and lower. And again, like so. We can make this one harder with a bit of band if you have it, okay, going around the knees, so you've got that resistance of the band as you exercise. Set reps on one side and then the other. Okay, adductor bridge, that fell down at just the right time. Whip this out. Okay, so for the adductor bridge, you're going to need a chair or something that allows you to do what I'm going to show you. To make it comfy, you might want to put a cushion on top, okay, because we're going to have the inside of the knee on the chair, or a mat, whatever it may be. But we need to be able to put that free leg through a gap underneath. So, I'm just going to hook that free leg in. I'm going to bring, see my elbow in almost like a side plank, I'm going to bring up, and I'm going to rest the inside of the knee on here. This other foot is just hanging, okay, loose. I'm going to allow myself to go down, and then up. This obviously is going to touch as we get to the bottom, and then up. Slowly down, and up. So the muscles working, primarily are in here. Obviously we've got some stabilising going on with the core, held in this plank position, but we're looking at working the muscles on the inside here, are adductors. Okay, set number of reps on each leg. Again, like I say, that can be quite sore on a hard surface, so make sure we're getting ourselves something nice and soft on the top here to cushion the inside. Obviously, if you're comfortable, you're going to do the exercise better and more concentrated. Okay, sideline leg raise. Again, nice simple exercise, but again, needs to be done right. So, same as before with the clam with regards to our sideline position. Okay, but our legs are straight this time. And this hand can come here just for a bit of stability so we're not rolling backwards and forwards. Hips 90 or slightly forward, okay? And all I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the top leg slightly. I want you to draw it just a little bit backwards, just a little bit. And then we're going to lift up and down, up and down like so. A set number of reps. working the abductors, deep glutes in here. You feel that you get a little bit of a dirty burn inside, roughly where I'm pointing with my finger. And steady there. Sideline leg raise. Last one. Have your rest and then go back through it. Obviously, we'll make sure we do each side before we move on to the next exercise as we go through. Any questions, drop us a message. If not, enjoy.